Are you irritated because your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting from Windows 11 or Windows 10? Here is the solution to it. Hey everyone, let's get started. Make sure you follow all the steps. So first of all, you need to press Windows and A on your keyboard. This will open the Windows tab for the Wi-Fi. Make sure that your flight mode or airplane mode is turned off. Now you have to click in this arrow for Wi-Fi, and for the connected Wi-Fi, click on its properties. For that, click on this I written icon. This will open this Wi-Fi settings. Hereby, the network profile type must be changed to private network. Once you changed it, you can go back to the Wi-Fi zone, disconnect it and then connect it again. This could help in the Wi-Fi disconnection issue. Similarly, the next option that you can follow is right-click on the Start button and go to Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is open, there are different options on it. You have to click on this specific option which says Network Adapters. You could be connected to any Wi-Fi adapter. You just have to right-click on your PC adapter and then click on Update Drivers. Doing so will scan all the driver updates and also resolve if any bug is found. So click on Search Automatically for drivers. Or you can also close the tab and again click on Update Drivers, and this time instead of the Search Automatically option, you can search for Search Manually, and you can try on different updated drivers. Now next time you can click on the Properties, and hereby you should see the option of Power Manager, and you will also see a checkbox ticked which is written as Allow computers to turn off. If you see that option, you need to uncheck it. Once done so, you have to click on OK. After these changes are made, we can go back to the main page. After that, on the search bar, type in Power. Doing so, you will see different options under Settings. Click on this specific one which says Edit Power Plan and open it. Once the new tab is open, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Here on this page, you must see different options. Along with it, you must also see this option under Battery which says Wireless Power Management. Tap on it and you have to select on Maximum Processor State. And just by that, you will be solving your issue of Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. So this was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and stay tuned.